In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix No Audio Steam Remote Play. If you're able to connect through Steam Remote Play but you can't hear any sound, there are a couple of important settings inside Steam that are worth checking first. In many cases, the issue comes down to how audio is being routed between the host computer and the device you're streaming to. I'll walk you through the exact settings to review so you can make sure sound is configured properly. Start by opening Steam, then go into Settings and select Remote Play. This is the main area where Steam manages your streaming connection, including performance, Func as device behavior, and audio-related options. If your video is working, but audio is missing, this section is one of the best places to begin troubleshooting. Once you're inside the Remote Play settings, click on Advanced Host Options. These settings control how the computer running the game, which is the host machine, behaves during a Remote Play session. Since audio is generated on the host and then streamed to your other device, anything incorrect here can affect whether you hear sound at all. In the Advanced Host Options menu, look for the setting called Play Audio on Host and make sure it's configured the way you want. This option determines whether sound continues to play from the host computer while you're streaming. Depending on your setup, you may want audio to stay on the host, or you may prefer it to be handled only through the remote device. If this is set in a way that conflicts with your current setup, it can cause confusion about where the sound is supposed to go. After that, make sure audio streaming is not disabled. This is the most critical part. If audio streaming has been turned off, Steam may still stream video and controls normally, but no sound will be sent to the device you're using remotely. Double check that this option is enabled so the audio can actually pass through during your session. Once you've reviewed these settings, try launching your Remote Play session again and test the audio. It can also help to close and reopen the stream after changing any option, so Steam applies the updated configuration correctly. That's it. By checking the Remote Play settings, opening Advanced Host Options, confirming the Play Audio on Host behavior, and making sure audio streaming is enabled, you can usually resolve the no audio issue in Steam Remote Play quickly and easily.